And in the 7, 8 years we've been doing it, we've kind of learned some things, and what I'm going to try to do is share those things with you so you can make a business decision. Is this something you want to have in your bag of tricks to help your business or not? So I always ask the first question, are you having a hard time hiring or retaining DBAs? Because if you are, then we've learned there's a high likelihood you're going to get a major benefit from service. But don't beat yourself if you're having a hard time finding them. My God, database is growing 3 to 5 times a year, so if you're not adding them, their workload's getting bigger and bigger. In a global economy, it's not 9 to 5, it's 7 by 24. The database has got to be up. So 20 years ago, they could have got away with after hours wasn't so bad. Today, it never ends. Technology they need to support the database is getting bigger and bigger and more complex. I mean, now we're talking about SQL mirroring and partitioning and new types of indexing structures. Security, my God, security just increased the DBA's workload 100-fold. And the proliferation of these enterprise class applications is just making it tough. So no wonder you're having a hard time finding them. And the biggest reason is, right, Dave Letterman, reason number 1, good DBAs take years to develop. What are your businesses physically located, right? Everybody's got the same problem in database administration. Well, if you're in San Francisco, you're competing with Google, you're competing with Salesforce.com, you're competing with some pretty big companies with pretty deep pockets for that same resource. That's a problem in Boston, that's a problem in Chicago, major cities, that's a major problem. We have the opposite extreme. We actually have a client in Sinclair, Wyoming, population 437, critical database to the business. You think there's a lot of DBAs in Sinclair, Wyoming, population 437? Opposite issue. There's not the talent, doesn't even exist in the marketplace. And company size does matter. Big companies have big checkbooks, big benefits. They can do things that little companies can't.